The United Nations Refugee Agency has warned judges it may have new evidence from 2024 that Rwanda has endangered asylum seekers, despite Parliament passing a law declaring the country is safe. In a highly significant intervention in the continual legal battle over the policy, the UNHCR told the High Court on Monday that it is investigating new allegations of abuses. Those allegations include individual potential being sent to countries where they could be tortured, despite Rishi Sunak arguing during the same period that Rwanda was a safe partner for the UK. A judge has granted the UN agency permission to prepare a dossier before a flight of asylum seekers can leave the UK. The court's decision is a blow to the government because the agency's intervention was a deciding factor in the Supreme Court finding that the original Rwanda plan was unlawful. Home Secretary James Cleverly lawyers have told the court that no one will be sent to Rwanda before 24th of July. Labour has pledged to scrap the policy if it wins the general election on the 4th of July. So you see, the United Nations agency now is on this matter, and the court has granted them the audience to prepare a whole lot of dossier in terms of evidences before the first flight that was scheduled. If the scheduled 24th of July flight is still to take place, that they should present their case so that the court will take a serious decision, a review on these dossiers of information, and then take a decision. This is a huge blow to this Rwanda plan from the Conservative government in the UK, even though they are still saying that Rwanda is a safe partner. But the Labour, which is equally a huge contender in this election they're having on the 4th of July, is equally saying that if they win the election, they are going to scrap this Rwanda plan. So, and outside the UN agency, a whole lot of charities, organizations are been taking legal action against this plan. Even individuals have been now being allowed to file their cases against this Rwanda plan. You see, every indication is already pointing, or every fingers are pointing, that this Rwanda plan is a disastrous plan. Yes, even though it seems that the Conservative government in the UK did not review this plan properly, because even this law was amended 4 times before it was passed. And even after it has been passed, you can see a whole lot that is coming out of it, even when it has not fully started. The 4 migrants that were sent from British territory a year ago to Rwanda, we can already see what they are passing through. They are living witnesses. They are living evidences. Not to talk of, these are just 4 people that was sent from a British territory a year ago. You can imagine what they are passing through. Then imagine what hundreds or thousands of people will pass through that you are sending to Rwanda. Even the people of Rwanda somehow will feel like they are being invaded. So it's only time will tell. I just hope that the UN agency will do well enough to prepare these dossiers of evidences, and that the judge will review the both sides even before the election takes place on the 4th of July, so that the court can already pass a decision before we know who is coming out of the elections as the winners, or who is going to win the elections they are going to cast on the 4th of July. Yes, because the court have to take a decision, if it is possible, before a new government, or if the Conservative is coming back, so the court already has a decision on this Rwanda plan.